Are you looking forward to share a chat from Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily share chats on Talkie AI. First thing first, move into your application Talkie AI and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, head over to Inbox at the bottom of the screen. Now simply head over to the inbox of the character that you want to share the chat. Let me move into this one. Now if you want to share this chat, all you can do is click on the share icon, and then you will also see where it says share. Once again, click on it. Tons of different social media will appear on the screen, or you can simply copy the link and send it to the people you want to share the chat with, or else you can send it via any of the social media platforms. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.